Hello and welcome to the Morrison Schools Library blog, Mustang Libraries. This is a site introduction. So, who am I? My name is Jennifer Stevenson and I'm the District Library Media Specialist for Morrison Community Unit School District 6. What is the site? Although the library already currently has a Google site, which is located on the Morrison Schools homepage, which contains each separate school library page if that's what you're looking for. This site is more of a library blog to connect with the students, staff, community, and other school librarians. This site will focus on library information, both fun and informative, book reviews, news and technology, information literacy, teaching, research, tutorials on tech and research, and other fun happenings around the district and community that involve the library. This site has two main goals. The first goal is to create an online presence for the Morrison Libraries, and the second goal is to provide a place for students, staff, community members, and even other school librarians to find relevant, interesting information and ideas related to education, school libraries, and reading for all ages of students. So how will the site address these goals? Through blog posts that share information, through text, video, screencast, and other multimedia tools. Posts may also contain links to outside sources of information like articles, book reviews, other blogs, etc. Please keep in mind that this is not just for English students or faculty. Reading happens in all content areas and in different ways, and I will be posting information about all areas of education. So keep checking back for fun blog posts and ways to connect with the Morrison Libraries. Thanks for using this site and supporting the library in its endeavor to create the best possible educational opportunities for Morrison students.